Have you ever wanted to grow your plants from seeds? It's a rewarding and cost-effective way to create a vibrant garden. In this video, we'll cover key strategies for successful seed starting. Many gardeners choose to propagate plants from seeds. This method provides a wider selection of plant varieties compared to buying transplants. Growing from seed allows gardeners to tailor their selection to specific growing conditions. The process of sexual propagation begins with pollination. Male pollen combines with a female ovary, creating seeds. Open-pollinated seeds may look similar to parent plants but can have minor genetic variations. Conversely, F1 hybrid seeds result from controlled crosses and usually yield consistent results plus unique advantages like improved vigor and disease resistance. Let's dive into seed selection. The first step is securing quality seeds from a trusted source. High-quality seeds are true to their variety and free from contaminants. Look for seeds suitable for your environment, considering factors like disease resistance and growth habits. Ensure to store excess seeds properly to maintain germination rates. Next, let's read a seed package. These packages contain vital information, such as planting depth, spacing, and germination days. Always check for the year the seeds were packed. Now, onto germination. This crucial phase involves the seed embryo emerging from dormancy. Proper moisture, light, and temperature are essential for success. Seeds need adequate, consistent moisture without oversaturating. Too little water causes dormancy, while excess can lead to rot. Seeds also require oxygen. Ensure your seed starting mix drains well to avoid waterlogged conditions. Some seeds even have specific light requirements, so consult your seed packets on whether to cover them lightly with soil or leave them exposed. Temperature is important too. Most seeds thrive between 65 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit. Use a thermometer to ensure the right conditions. For those struggling with temperature control, heating mats can assist. When choosing materials, opt for sterile, soilless potting media to mitigate weed and disease risks. A good seed starting mix should retain moisture while allowing drainage. Avoid using heavy garden soil that can hinder seed growth. Containers can vary but must provide proper drainage and depth. You can use commercial seed trays or recycled materials as long as they are sanitized. Disease prevention begins with using clean tools and containers. Next, seeding techniques. You can either directly seed into your final growing area or start them in a seedbed for transplanting later. The depth of planting is usually twice the seed diameter. Cover very small seeds lightly, ensuring good contact. After they germinate, ensure they have adequate light. Using grow lights positioned 2-3 inches above seedlings can sustain their growth. Make sure to keep lights on for about 16 hours daily. Timing is everything. If you're growing transplants, consider the appropriate planting time. Start seeds indoors about 6-8 weeks before outdoor planting. This way, your seedlings will be ready right after the last frost. Thinning seedlings is necessary for healthy growth. Remove any excess plants to provide enough space for the remaining ones to flourish. Transplanting occurs when seedlings have grown their first true leaves. Carefully lift seedlings, ensuring minimal root disturbance, and plant them at the same depth in their new containers. Hardening off is the transition plants must make from sheltered indoor environments to outdoor conditions. Gradually expose them to sunlight and wind to prep them for outdoor life. If you're interested in saving seeds, remember to collect mature, dry seeds. This process will typically yield plants that vary from the parent plant, especially with hybrid varieties. To summarize, follow these simple steps for successful seed starting. 1. Choose sanitized containers with proper drainage. 2. Use sterile, moisture-retaining seed starting media. 3. Plant seeds at the correct depth, based on their needs. 4. Keep them warm, moist, and provided with ample light. 5. Thin and transplant seedlings as necessary. 6. Gradually acclimatize them to outdoor conditions. Ready to grow your garden from seeds? Get started today and make the most of your planting experience. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more gardening tips. Happy planting!
Thanks for watching Zenvix. Subscribe for smarter health and science.